Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm doing a Halo mock this time, which I haven't done in a very long time, and I guess I'll just call this Flood Outbreak. So yeah, basically there were some Marines in ODST, and this is like Halo 3, so the flood crashed down into Mombasa, and the Marines are trying to fight them. So, as you can see here, we have a sergeant trying to kill this flood ODST. This guy being stabbed, lifted up. This guy over here being infected by the infection form. Over here, this guy is being killed by flood combat form, and this Spartan's using a Spartan laser. He's a Spartan 3, I guess. So over here we have a wounded Marine that's sitting on the ground. We have this ODST defending him, shot that guy's arm off. And over here we have another ODST that's killing this flood-infected Marine with his knife. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.